Alright, ever wondered how that scoop of whey protein powder actually gets from the cow to your shaker bottle? Today I'm breaking down the whole process, step by step, so next time you hit the gym, you'll know exactly what's fueling your gains. Let's start at the very beginning, the dairy farm. Fresh milk is collected from cows and transported to a processing plant. But here's the thing. Whey protein actually starts as a byproduct of cheese making. Pretty cool, right? So once the milk arrives at the factory, it's pasteurized to kill off any bad bacteria. Then enzymes are added to the milk to separate it into two things, curds and whey. Curds become cheese, and the liquid left over, that's your whey. Next, this liquid whey is filtered using a process called ultrafiltration. Imagine a superfine strainer that separates out the proteins from lactose, fats, and other stuff we don't need. What's left is a concentrated whey liquid packed with protein. But we're not done yet. This concentrated whey goes through more filtration, sometimes called microfiltration or even ion exchange, depending on the quality thereafter. This is where we get the different types, like whey concentrate or isolate. Isolate's got even less fat and lactose, making it faster to digest. Now it's time to turn that filtered liquid into a powder. The whey is sprayed into a huge chamber at high temperatures, a process called spray drying. The moisture evaporates, and what falls down is a superfine protein powder. At this stage, factories often test the powder for purity, checking protein content, and making sure there's nothing nasty inside. Once it's cleared, they blend in flavors, maybe some sweeteners, or even add vitamins and minerals depending on the brand. Finally, the powder is packaged into those big tubs or smaller packets you see on the shelves, sealed up, labeled, and shipped out to stores or straight to your door. So, next time you're mixing up a shake before a workout, just remember, that protein has been on quite a journey. From the cow, to the cheese vat, through a maze of filters, and finally into your bottle, fueling your recovery and helping you smash those fitness goals. If you found this step-by-step breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness science straight to the point. Catch you in the next one.